Hello! Finally, it's time to make handle for 110 buck. Long time ago I disassembled this knife. I have several types of material for handles. My first choice was this Juma. But it's too thin. This micarta instead is too thick. On the other hand, I have this amber bone, which should be a good fit. To begin with, I need to remove old wooden scales. Looks like pins can be removed. Okay, now I can pull them out by prong. This was easy. Pull pins out. We need to clean this. I used Dremel with round metal brush. I make a countersink for pinholes by hand, using the drill bit. We need a rod for pins. In this case, we need 1/8 of an inch. I will cut twice as long as we need for the pin or a little less. Usually I make it by eye, hanging parts like this. I saw. We need 3 pins. Here you are. Now we have to make the ends of the pins flat. I'm going to make pin heads. It don't mean the Cenobites. As a result, we will get something resembling a mushroom head. It's okay if the pin bends a little. The head should feel countersink and stick out a bit. Look at this. Now I remove 2 more ends to set these pins. I make the ends cone-shaped. This makes setting pins easier. It's good if pins go in tight. Cut the extra. Set the pins by hammer. Hit carefully with great accuracy. I always check the blade pin. It must be tight, but allow the blade to move. You must guess by now that this type of assembly doesn't require pins in the handle. Let's set the last pin. I insert a spring for back. And pin it using the old pin. It's made of steel, by the way. This pin should be hidden under the scales. It's time to attach the scales, but before that I need to cut them out. Always check, because it's better to check one more time than to grind off more than needed. Make grooves for gluing in. I used cyanocrylate waterproof glue. Okay, we made it. Looks like a piece of bone. I need to finalize forms by grinder. Smells like a bone. This smell will be trapped in my beard for a long time. Continue to remove excess bone. Time to grind by files. This is a special vise for knife making. I use sandpaper. Step by step I change sandpaper grid sizes from low to high. Finally polish. Here is what we got. I don't see any pins. Also, this umber bone look pretty good on this knife. I want to try extra wide bone next time. Work is done, I think. See you later. Bye bye.